All right, number 4 on the review is similar. Again, right, here's some information, and then fill out the boxes together. So you're gonna notice right away that this x on the inside of your argument is not by itself. So I would highly recommend that you rewrite this as your first step. So think of this as 7 plus the sign. Now factor out everything that is being multiplied by the x. So I'm gonna do 1/2. That's gonna leave you with x plus pi. So you gotta be able to see that. Here's how you check, right? 1/2 times x is still x over 2, or 1/2 of x. And then 1/2 times pi is still pi over 2. That's gonna allow you to identify the period more easily and the phase shift more easily. So let's go ahead and go down the list. Here is our amplitude is 1, because there's no number in front of the sign. So the amplitude is the absolute value of 1. So that would be sitting right here. So absolute value of 1 is just 1. Okay, period. That is going to be this part. We're going to take 2 pi, which is the normal period for the sine curve, and then divide that by 1/2. That's going to give you 4 pi. 2 pi divided by 1/2 is 4 pi. So that goes here. Okay, any phase shifts? Yes, right here. On the inside of our argument, that is pi left. Since we're adding pi, we go the opposite direction inside our argument. And then lastly, any vertical shifts, and that is brought to you by this number up here. Now remember, that number could also have been in the back. I could have also put it here, and it's the exact same equation. A lot of students don't see that part, so it doesn't matter where you put that if you're adding or subtracting that number. So that'd be 7 units up. So the equation for that would be y equals 7. If it asks you like for the midline, you can just say 7 up, or the equation y equals 7.